Hello friends, welcome to the Power BI tutorial series. In this tutorial, we will create a matrix in the Power BI. In the previous tutorial, we have created the tables in the Power BI and we have seen in the how we do the formatting and how we utilize the table into the Power BI. Similar to that, we will create the matrix into this tutorial and we will do the formatting and the conditional formatting into this matrix, and we will see how matrix works into the Power BI. So that is the only agenda, we will create the matrix, then we will do the conditional formatting over the matrix. So let's go to the Power BI desktop application. So in the previous tutorial we have created this table for the country and month name and average of the profit and percentage of the profit. So what I will do, let's remove some field which is not much required, so I'm going to remove, and now we are having only country, month name and the average of the profit. Here we can see, but there is a problem with the table is if I want this country is duplicating as per the month. For every month this country is duplicating, so reading the data is little difficult with the table. So but I want to see as per in one row. Let's expand this first, and I want to see this data for particular country for all the month in the one row data. Then in that kind of scenario want to see the visualization of that data, then we use the matrix. So beside this this table visualization icon, we can see the matrix icon also. So when I will click on this matrix icon, we can see now we are, this country is not duplicating, and we can see for this April month this is the profit, and for August this is the profit, and for July this is the profit. So in one row we can see the whole data. So that is the one thing. And if we want to do some formatting all over this, then what we have to do, we have to go every time to this and we have to increase the font size and all this. So same you can do, just go into the view, and here if you will go and here customize current theme if you will do, then from here filter pane and all this transparency you can increase, background color you can increase, and header font size, pages. So it will be so border, and it will be what it will be, it will be applicable for all the a sheet. It's not particular one sheet. If we will make any changes to this one, it will be for all the sheets. So when I will apply on this, the changes we can see it is showing the changes. So in that way we can do changes, but from table to that matrix is little easy. Now suppose if we have to make this matrix from the scratch, then how we will do? So when we go on the table, let's what we do, I'll create a new sheet. In this new sheet we will create the matrix from scratch. So let's select first the table. So in the table we can see here values, only one field we can see, but when I will go for the matrix, we can see here there are different type of field like row, column and the value. So let's take in row I will take the country name, and in the column I will take the month name, and in the values I will take the profit. So according to that it will show the data. Now let's expand this one so we can see the data. And now I if we want to do some format over this one, so we can do the formatting to so let's take font size, it will be 14, and any other things if you want, tooltip related, header related if you want, transparency, if border color, background color, let's change the background color to this, and any pages and filter pan if you want to change, we can increase from here. So we can see we are looking the data in much clear way. Now that is the way basically we use for the matrix. If we don't want to repeat the content, then in one row we show the full data for particular country. Now if suppose I want to show the conditional formatting over this, so in the previous tutorial we have seen the conditional formatting for the table also. In similar way we can do the conditional formatting for a matrix also. So when I will expand this one, here we can see like what we want to show for the back color and all this. So suppose we now if I want to show the data bars, we can see like for every month for all the record we can see the data bar. But instead of the data bar, I don't want to show the data bar, I want to show the icons. Then we can show the icons also. So like we can see for the maximum record, this is the icon, and for like average record, this is the icon. So if you want to change the icon also, we can do the formatting over this. So that is like advanced control. When you will click here, we can see like on which basis the icon is showing. We can see like if the value is greater than or equal to 0 and the percentage is less than equal to 33, then show this icon. So there are some conditional formatting has given, based on that it is showing the data. But if we can change the icon also whatever we needed, like if I want to show the arrow down, and here I want to show the other thing like cross because it's not working, and here I want to show the up key. So when I will click on OK, based on that we are showing in like it is showing the data. So this is the conditional formatting. Like apart from this, there's many things which we have covered already in the table when we created the table into the Power UI. So based on that our requirement, we can do the formatting over the matrix. And like as we have like learned before, like matrix why we use, like in the table we see like when I will same thing, if I will change into the table, we see like here country is repeating for all the month, because over the month country is the like country is repeating. But I want to show I want to see the data for country wise, like in the one row only. Then we move to the matrix. Like here country is not repeating, in the one row we can see the full data. So that is all about the matrix and the formatting in the matrix. So if you have any question or doubt, please comment. Thank you.